Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about cleaning the house. I will teach words and sentences. I will give examples and practice. The sentences are simple. The vocabulary is simple. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and practice with me. Cleaning the house is an important topic. We clean rooms and items. We keep our home safe and nice. We use tools and cleaners. We make lists and follow steps. Today I will show many simple phrases. I will show common verbs and nouns. I will show short conversations about cleaning. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. You will have time to repeat. First, I will share useful words. Listen and repeat the words after me. I will say a word. Then I will say it again. You can repeat the word. To repeat. Clean. Tidy. Dust. Sweep. Mop. Vacuum. Wash. Wipe. Scrub. Rinse. Dry. Polish. Declutter. Organize. Fold. Iron. Load. Unload. Empty. Take out. Trash. Recycle. Sink. Stove. Oven. Counter. Table. Floor. Carpet. Rug. Window. Glass. Mirror. Shelf. Closet. Drawer. Bed. Mattress. Pillow. Sheet. Blanket. Towel. Bathroom. Toilet. Sink. Shower. Tub. Laundry. Washing machine. Dryer. Detergent. Soap. Sponge. Cloth. Duster. Broom. Dustpan. Mop bucket. Vacuum cleaner. Gloves. Mask. Trash bag. Recycling bin. Spray bottle. Cleaner. Disinfectant. Baking soda. Vinegar. Brush. Scrubbing pad. Now I will give short example sentences with these words. Repeat after me. I clean the table. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I dust the shelf. I wash the dishes. I load the dishwasher. I unload the dishwasher. I take out the trash. I empty the trash can. I sort the recycling. I clean the bathroom. I scrub the toilet. I clean the sink. I clean the shower. I change the sheets. I make the bed. I do the laundry. I wash the clothes. I dry the clothes. I fold the clothes. I iron the clothes. I organize the closet. I declutter the drawer. I polish the mirror. I clean the window. I rinse the cup. I dry the plate. I wipe the stove. I clean the oven. I disinfect the counter. I sweep the porch. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hello. My name is Maria. I like to keep my home clean. I clean every Saturday. I sweep the floor first. I dust the shelves next. I wash the dishes after that. Then I vacuum the carpet. Finally, I take out the trash. Nice to meet you. I am happy to meet you. To repeat. Hello. My name is Maria. I like to keep my home clean. I clean every Saturday. You can pause the video and repeat one sentence that you heard. Pause the video now and repeat one sentence. Now I will give another introduction example for a neighbor meeting. Listen and repeat. Hello. My name is John. I live next door. I can help with cleaning. I have a broom and a mop. I have a vacuum cleaner. I can help on Sunday. We can clean the yard together. We can clean the porch together. Nice to meet you. To repeat. Hello. My name is John. I live next door. I can help with cleaning. Pause the video if you need more time. Now we will practice short questions and answers about cleaning. These are useful in daily talk. I will say the question. Then I will say a simple answer. Repeat after me. Do you clean the kitchen today? Yes. I clean the kitchen today. No. I will clean the kitchen tomorrow. Do you need help with the dishes? Yes. Please help me with the dishes. No. I can do the dishes now. Do you have a vacuum cleaner? Yes. I have a vacuum cleaner. No. I do not have a vacuum cleaner. Where do you keep the trash bags? I keep the trash bags in the closet. I keep the trash bags under the sink. When do you do laundry? I do laundry on Sunday. I do laundry every week. How do you clean the floor? I sweep the floor first. Then I mop the floor. To repeat. Do you clean the kitchen today? Yes. I clean the kitchen today. Now I will share a step-by-step cleaning routine for a small apartment. This is a simple plan. Follow the steps and say the sentences. First, make a plan. Say it with me, I make a cleaning plan. Second, gather supplies. Say it with me, I get a broom, a mop, a sponge, and a cleaner. Third, pick up clutter. Say it with me, I put toys and clothes in a basket. Fourth, dust and wipe surfaces. Say it with me, I dust the shelf. I wipe the table. Fifth, clean the kitchen. Say it with me, I wash the dishes. I wipe the counter. Sixth, clean the bathroom. Say it with me, I scrub the sink and the toilet. Seventh, vacuum or sweep and mop the floor. Say it with me, I vacuum the carpet. I mop the floor. Eighth, take out the trash. Say it with me, I take out the trash and recycling. Ninth, do the laundry. Say it with me, I wash and dry the clothes. 10th, put items back. Say it with me, I put clean dishes away. I fold the clothes and put them in the closet. To repeat. I make a cleaning plan. I get a broom, a mop, a sponge, and a cleaner. I put toys and clothes in a basket. I dust the shelf. I wipe the table. I wash the dishes. I wipe the counter. I scrub the sink and the toilet. I vacuum the carpet. I mop the floor. I take out the trash and recycling. I wash and dry the clothes. I fold the clothes and put them in the closet. Pause the video and repeat one sentence that you like. Now I will give a short monologue about cleaning a kitchen. Listen and try to copy. I clean the kitchen step by step. I clear the table. I put plates in the sink. I scrape the food into the trash. I wash the plates with soap and water. I dry the plates with a clean cloth. I put the plates in the cabinet. I wipe the counter with a wet cloth. I clean the stove. I check the oven. I put food in the refrigerator. I throw away old food. I take out the trash. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. The kitchen smells fresh. I am happy with a clean kitchen. To repeat. I clean the kitchen step by step. I clear the table. I put plates in the sink. Pause the video and repeat the whole paragraph if you want. Now a short monologue about cleaning the living room. Listen and repeat. I clean the living room every week. I pick up books and cups. I fold the blanket. I shake the rug. I dust the TV and shelves. I wipe the table. I arrange the pillows. I vacuum the floor. I open the window and let in fresh air. The living room is tidy and nice. To repeat. I clean the living room every week. I pick up books and cups. I fold the blanket. Pause and repeat one sentence that I said. Now a short monologue about cleaning the bathroom. Listen and repeat. I clean the bathroom carefully. I spray the cleaner on the sink. I scrub the sink with a brush. I clean the mirror with glass cleaner. I scrub the toilet bowl. I wipe the outside of the toilet. I clean the shower and the tub. I wash the bath mat. I change the towel. I put a clean towel for the next person. The bathroom is clean and safe. To repeat. I clean the bathroom carefully. I spray the cleaner on the sink. Pause the video and repeat a sentence now. Now I will give short polite phrases for asking for help. These are short and simple. Repeat after me. Can you help me with the dishes? Could you help me with the laundry? Can you take out the trash, please? Can you sweep the floor, please? Would you wash the cups, please? Could you fold the clothes, please? Thank you for your help. You are welcome. To repeat. Can you help me with the dishes? Thank you for your help. Now I will show how to offer help in simple phrases. Repeat after me. I can help you with the cleaning. I will help you with the dishes. I will take out the trash. I can fold the clothes. I can vacuum the living room. I can clean the bathroom. You do not need to do it alone. We clean together. To repeat. I can help you with the cleaning. We clean together. Now I will give some safety phrases and tips. Repeat after me. Wear gloves when you use strong cleaners. Open the window for fresh air. Read the label on the cleaner first. Do not mix cleaners. Keep cleaners out of reach of children. Use a mask if you feel strong smell. Use a bucket for mop water. Carry heavy items with help. Take breaks if you are tired. Safety is important. To repeat. Wear gloves when you use strong cleaners. Open the window for fresh air. Now I will give a short practice dialogue between two friends who clean together. I will read the lines slowly. I will say the name and then the sentence. You can repeat each line. Ben, I will sweep the floor. Friend, I will wash the dishes. Ben, can you move the chair, please? Friend, yes. I will move the chair now. Ben, I will vacuum the carpet after you finish the dishes. Friend, okay. I am ready in 5 minutes. Ben, thank you. Friend, you are welcome. To repeat. Ben, I will sweep the floor. Friend, I will wash the dishes. Pause the video and try the whole dialogue with a friend if you can. Now I will give simple tips for keeping a house clean every day. These are small actions that help a lot. Repeat after me. Make the bed in the morning. Wash your cup after you use it. Put things back where they belong. Sweep small messes every day. Wipe spills right away. Keep a small trash bag in the kitchen. Clean one room each day. Do a load of laundry every other day. Put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Clean the sink after you cook. Small steps make a big difference. To repeat. Make the bed in the morning. Wash your cup after you use it. Now a short practice for questions about cleaning supplies. I will say the question. You can answer. Where is the broom? The broom is in the closet. Where is the vacuum cleaner? The vacuum cleaner is in the storage room. Where are the trash bags? The trash bags are under the sink. Where is the mop bucket? The mop bucket is in the utility closet. Where is the sponge? The sponge is by the sink. To repeat. Where is the broom? The broom is in the closet. Now I will give a small review. I will say words and sentences again. Listen and repeat. Clean and tidy. Dust and sweep. Mop and vacuum. Wash and dry. Fold and iron. Take out trash and recycle. Make a plan and gather supplies. Pick up clutter and dust surfaces. Clean kitchen and bathroom. Vacuum and mop floors. Do laundry and fold clothes. Put items back and open the window. Wear gloves and read labels. To repeat. Clean and tidy. Dust and sweep. Now I will give a final practice. I will say a short routine. You will repeat the whole routine. I wake up and make my bed. I open the window for fresh air. I pick up clothes and put them in the laundry basket. I clean the kitchen after breakfast. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. I take a short break. I clean the living room and vacuum the floor. I clean the bathroom and change the towel. I take out the trash and recycling. I fold the clean clothes and put them away. I feel happy with my clean home. To repeat. I wake up and make my bed. I open the window for fresh air. That is all for the lesson today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.